Hi, this is Dee with Keep It Tight Sisters, and I am picking Noni today. Noni. And I am under a humongous Noni tree in my brother's backyard. You can see there are a couple of them that are on the tree, and they have some very, very large leaves as well as some very large fruit. Now, it is surprising to many people to hear that the noni is actually related to the coffee family. And noni has an acquired taste. It can be eaten raw, the whole thing, the skin, the seed, the pulp, but it is an acquired taste. Some people will wash it, peel it, sprinkle it with some kosher salt or some sea salt. But it also is used for juicing. A lot of people here drink noni as a daily tonic, and noni is believed to help with blood pressure, diabetes, weight management, just an all over tonic to feel good. The leaves can also be used, but a lot of times when people are talking about drinking noni, this is what they're talking about. And this is a ripe noni fruit. And this tree in my brother's backyard is about 20 feet tall. And again, the leaves are humongous. Let me try. These are some very, very, very large leaves, but they are very, very tender. And I will drop a little bit more information about the health benefits of noni. But noni trees grow abundantly in the Caribbean. Sometimes you'll just find them in the wild, and obviously sometimes people plant them in their backyard. And it is quite a find to actually have your own noni bush, your own noni tree in your backyard. So today we're talking about noni, and I will provide some additional information about it. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.